up, dude? I got you a soda.
What are you doing here today?
Guys and girls, you will not guess what we are about to do today, and it is going to be exciting. We're ruining my $150,000 Sema truck.
What are we doing? No, seriously.
We're going to hood stack it.
Yeah, no, we're not. What are we actually getting into today?
No, 100%. We're hood stacking my truck. Check it out.
What are you talking about?
We got parts on parts on parts. And this is the hood stack right here.
Wait, you're being serious? You're hood stacking your truck?
This.
No. Are you serious?
I'm 100% serious, dude. This is happening. We're gonna put this right here. How's it look from the camera?
What truck is that actually going on?
No, I'm 100% being serious.
I don't believe you. And no one watching this is right now. No one believes you. He's not gonna hood stack this. Maybe so I believe you, and everybody watching this believes you right now. Explain these parts, because I do notice they're color matched, which kind of is making me feel like you actually are gonna hood stack this truck.
Yep. So, about, I don't know, a month or two ago, I had this crazy idea of hood stacking my truck. The good thing is that this can all be replaced and gone back to normal. So we're not ruining it. We got things, so we're not gonna ruin the truck, but we are gonna hood stack it. And I had to come up with an idea to make it to where I could, number one, go back, and number two, how the heck we're gonna fit the exhaust, because there's literally no space in here. So what I did is I contacted Maryland Performance Diesel, and we're doing their intercooler piping kit, which are these pieces right here that are powder coated, because we're gonna keep this on the truck after we do the hood stack. Then they have a compound turbo kit, and so what I did is I'm gonna use their exhaust piece for the compound kit that goes, if you're looking at the engine right here, this goes something like this. I think it's like this, maybe. But it basically goes from the turbo. I think it's actually, it's 100%.
Well, we're gonna find out here soon enough, aren't we?
This is exactly how it goes. So this sits where the turbo is, and then this is the exhaust piece that comes out. So we're able to go through the valley, and then we're gonna build off of this and go over and then straight up through the hood stack. And we'll be able to, you know, go back to the old exhaust. And then I got, just because we're doing something stupid, the most ridiculous, huge 7-inch, 20 inches long hood stack kit. And I'm kind of interested to see how it works, because no one has ever, I mean, I don't even think a 6.7 Power Stroke has a hood stack,
as far as
let alone an
Aluma-Duty.
Aluma-Duty. So now we're hood stacking an Aluma-Duty truck. So we're gonna have to figure out, number one, is this hood even gonna support that heavy hood stack? And there's not, if you look at the top of the hood's like, has this one flat part that comes through here. So we're hoping that we can drill the hole into here and that it's gonna support this, but we won't know until we start going. So we're literally just learning as we go. The exhaust piece is in, and we didn't have to lift the cab, we didn't have to pull the turbo. It actually just fell in really easily. All we had to do is just kind of push the oil dipstick and transmission dipstick out of the way. So now this is our exhaust, guys. This is literally coming straight out of the turbo. And then here is the Maryland Performance. This is actually for their compound kit. It kind of sucks because we're gonna have to butcher this, but it'll be worth it, because this piece is gonna go here, and then we're gonna build from here out for the hood stack. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Big thank you to Figs Engineering. These guys are literally a couple doors down from our shop, and they do all our TIG welding and some fabrication. We try to do the majority of it, but if we need something tigged or things like that, just walk down the street and get it tigged. They do a really good job, all the TIG welding, and we're gonna throw this on the truck. Well, we didn't cut the hole exactly. I mean, we cut the hole exactly where we wanted it, but the pipe, we didn't fabricate exactly where we wanted. But you know what? It's gonna work. And here is the final piece of the puzzle. How does the angle look right there? Something like that. Yee, brother.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I smelled death.
Look at his truck.
Look how much cover, dude. I'm sitting there, there's just Hey guys, I hope you enjoy our YouTube channel. We're doing a giveaway until June 1st. If you go to my Instagram page at Mike Langford and go on to this picture, all the details are in there, but it's super simple to enter. You just have to tag 3 friends on the post, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn the post notifications on, and that's it. And if you don't want the tires, we're also giving you the option to choose between that or $1,000 cash. So it's super easy to enter, and you guys should definitely go check it out.